Hello, I'm Darcy Mehta from Lumos Learning, and in this video I will be sharing some useful tools and information to help you improve your reading and vocabulary skills. The passage I have chosen for this demonstration is suitable for students in 10th grade. Let me just open this passage about the environment on the Lumos Learning website. By the way, you can find the link to the page in the description. There are many environmental issues facing our world today. If I were given a year to improve the Earth's environment, I would focus on one issue the world faces today. It is our dependence on oil. This dependence we have is so strong we have started wars, killed and deceived people for oil. I think it is time we do something about it and try and find an alternative form of energy, because soon this problem will be too much for us to handle, and by then it will be too late. Oil has become a pressing issue for both the USA and the world in the past century, partly due to the fact that we are either too lazy or some people are too greedy to find an environmentally sound solution to our increasing dependence on it. So as you can see, while I'm reading, there are certain words that are underlined here. And the great thing is that this is a tool you can use when you can click on an underlined word like dependence and the meaning pops up. The state of relying on or being controlled by someone or something else. Now, let's say you want to practice one of the words or learn more about it. Well, you can simply click on that word on the right side menu. Let's try out alternative. This opens a great and easy tool called FlashCube that helps you fully explore a word. Let's take a closer look. Here you can learn the definition of one or more things available as another possibility. Hear the pronunciation.
Alternative.
See what part of speech it is, an adjective. See the word as an example, the various alternative methods for resolving disputes, or the alternative definition of democracy as popular power. Plus, you can add it to your word list by simply creating an account. Just follow the instructions on the screen. I'd also like you to use the View Passage button so that you can see the word that you just learned within the passage. This dependence we have is so strong, we have started wars, killed and deceived people for oil. I think it is time we do something about it and try and find an alternative form of energy. Last but not least, another amazing feature is that you can actually upload an image of the word that you just learned, and that way you can make some notes and save the image and refer to it later. As you can see, it's fun, super easy, and a great way to learn new words. There are thousands of resources available on the platform. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description, learn about the environment, and become a fluent reader. I'll be back soon with another story or passage. Stay tuned.